Do you take an interest in life? Question mark. You might well answer that it all depends upon what taking an interest means, and you would do well to answer in that way because much trouble is caused in life through paper not expressing themselves in a clear enough way. Full stop. If by taking an interest in life is meant that we would rather be living than dying, comma, it is probable that almost every living person is interested. Full stop. Para. If, comma, however, comma, we take it as given that everyone would rather live than die, comma, we must find other meanings for the words. Full stop. We can indeed be interested in life from very many points of view. Full stop. Many well to do and highly successful businessmen have reached the happy state because they have found a great interest in living their own lives to the full and not paying too much attention to other people's actions. Full stop. They have got up each day ready to overcome any difficulties that may face them and willing to meet any demands that life may make upon them. Full stop. When times have been bad, they have not lost hope. Semicolon. When times have been good, they have not lost their heads but have remembered that the years in front of them might not always be so good. Full stop. They have given of their best in their daily lives and in return they have found success. Full stop. Para. It is not everyone, comma, however, comma, who can find working life so satisfactory in itself. Full stop. It is not everyone who can find work that meets all the needs of the mind. Full stop. Such people demand players beyond those of labor and they try to find an interest in life in other directions. Full stop. But the directions are so many that it is not easy to know in which direction to look. Full stop. Happily, we do not, as a rule, have to look far, for we seem to have natural interests. Full stop. It seems to come quite naturally to us to sort out our feelings, and from the great number of possible fields of interest, we find forces pulling us this way or that. Full stop. Para. The interests of some people change considerably with the passing of the years. Semicolon. Other people seem to hold an interest in the same kind of things throughout their whole lives. Full stop.